you looking for a simple solution to maintain your lawnmower? With CLIPLIFT MAGNUM, cleaning your lawnmower has never been easier. With easy-to-move rollers, simply position CLIPLIFT MAGNUM behind your lawnmower on a stable, level surface. Conveniently, CLIPLIFT MAGNUM can carry all its accessories. You just have to pump the foot pedal. The hydraulic lift will take care of the rest. Attach your mower's wheels to the CLIPLIFT MAGNUM with the including strap. And then place the support rod. You can now safely service your lawnmower. Once finished, gently lower your lawn tractor. Supplied with its own wall support, CLIPLIFT MAGNUM can be secured vertically in your garage. Now you can also clean your lawnmower easily and safely with CLIPLIFT MAGNUM.